Hello, good afternoon, sir. This is my system called Music Player System, which has filled with three behavioral design patterns, that is, observer, strategy, and command. Why is it filled with those three? I'll explain it to you. Um, why observer is used here? It's because the observer pattern is employed to handle reactive updates in the system, which is it updates every time you click play, like every time you play, it plays. Every time you pause, you it, it pauses. Like you want it to stop the song, which is it will stop. It stops immediately. Sorry. Um, for the next one, it's strategy. Why is it used? Because it have the another playback behaviors, which is not just play, pause, or next. It filled with also with shuffle, repeat and shuffle. Like it every time you repeat your playlist or a song. I mean, when you repeat a playlist, it repeats. Uh, Um, when you when you are in the end of the when you are in the end of the playlist, it plays back to track one. That's it. And if ever you repeat it once, it repeats once. And the shuffle, which is it shuffles, um, it doesn't doesn't rely on track numbers or the in the playlist. It actually plays it actually plays randomly. So that's why that that's why the strategy pattern works. And the third one, command pattern, it basically commands it basically commands. I mean, you ordered to play it. I mean, for the music player, you you decide to you decide to play it. It plays, and when you decide it to pause, it pauses, and and basically everything, like when you want it to repeat, it repeats every time, and when you play it next, it it plays next, as like that. It's basically a remote or something. So that's it. This is the full code of the system, and when I try to run it, here it is. um, Here's the UI update, then the current song, it plays the current song Terrified every time. Terrified, yes, that's it. So when it plays, it's true, and when it pauses, it appears as false. So that's it. Thank you.